Welcome to G Couture Pattern Sewing Tutorial. Today, we'll learn to sew a beautiful dress. Let's dive into a story to keep you engaged while the tutorial steps appear on screen. The story is The Weaver's Symphony. In a bustling city nestled between mountains, there lived a young weaver named Arya. She was known not only for her skill with the loom but also for her deep love for the art of weaving. Arya's humble shop, tucked away in a narrow alley, showcased tapestries and fabrics that seemed to sing stories of their own. From a young age, Arya had dreamed of creating a masterpiece, a tapestry that would capture the essence of her city's spirit. She spent countless hours perfecting her craft, weaving intricate patterns of silk and wool that shimmered like threads of gold under the city's twilight. But Arya's journey was not without challenges. The city's prestigious tapestry guild, led by the formidable master weaver, was skeptical of Arya's unconventional designs. They believed in tradition, in patterns passed down through generations, and Arya's bold creations challenged their beliefs. Undeterred, Arya continued to weave, drawing inspiration from the city's vibrant markets, its bustling streets, and the laughter of children playing in the squares. Each thread she wove was a testament to her resilience and passion. One fateful day, news arrived that the Tapestry Guild would host a grand exhibition, showcasing the finest works of the city's weavers. It was a chance for Arya to prove herself, to showcase her talent on a stage where only the best were celebrated. With determination burning in her heart, Arya poured herself into her work. She worked through sleepless nights, her fingers dancing across the loom with a rhythm that mirrored the city's heartbeat. Every stitch, every knot, carried the weight of her dreams. As the exhibition day approached, whispers spread through the city. Arya's tapestry, they said, was a symphony of colors and textures, a masterpiece that defied tradition and spoke to the soul. On the day of the exhibition, the Tapestry Guild's hall was filled with anticipation. The air hummed with excitement as the city's elite gathered to admire the weaver's creations. Arya stood nervously beside her tapestry, her hands trembling with a mix of anxiety and hope. When the moment of judgment arrived, the master weaver approached Arya's tapestry with a critical eye. For a fleeting moment, silence hung heavy in the air, before a murmur of a rippled through the crowd. Arya's tapestry had captured the essence of the city in ways no one had imagined possible. It was a symphony of talent and hard work, woven together with threads of passion and courage. In that moment, Arya realized that true artistry transcends boundaries. It is not confined by rules or expectations but flows freely from the heart. Her journey had been a testament to the power of perseverance and belief in oneself. As the sun set over the mountains, casting a golden glow over the city, Arya stood tall beside her masterpiece. The city's spirit echoed through her tapestry, a timeless ode to talent and hard work, inspiring all who beheld it to dream boldly and weave their own symphony of life. And so, dear viewers, remember Arya's story when doubt clouds your path. Let her tale remind you that with passion, perseverance, and belief in your craft, you too can create masterpieces that resonate with the world.